Hey, how's everybody doing? I'm Lenny the Woodworker, and if you've been following, I've been doing a series on how to build your own strip canoe. We're doing pretty good. In the last one, you started putting strips in, I don't know, up to about that point. I wanted you to hold off when you got high enough. If you were doing it, you would probably see it starts to get pretty difficult. Let me explain this to you. Get a good view. We left our 3/4 of an inch here, okay? As you get higher and higher, see how I get it narrower and narrower, and then all of a sudden it's on top of each other? That's because, look at this, try to get this strip. It comes over and then it comes down and twists. It gets very difficult. So this is going to get smaller and smaller, like I said, till you get up to this point, and it's just a hodgepodge of stuff. These are extended quite far past because you have to get screws in there, clamps, straps, whatever it takes to get that in tight, because look at this, it comes flat and then twists. It's very tough, okay? Don't worry about any of this being sloppy. We're gonna have the outer stem we're gonna shape this, it's gonna cap over this, and then actually, as we get up here, this is all gonna get cut out. It's gonna get all cut out, and that outer stem's gonna inlay into there up to about, where we at? To about this point. Then we gotta start to look good again. But now it's all flat pieces that curve around, okay? And as you can see, I weave them. You do one side the other, try to do it, one side the other, and you weave them, and eventually it just closes to the center. Now another way of doing that is, when they get up to this point, a lot of people, what they do is they'll just fill on one side, leave them run long and out, and then what they do is they chalk a center line all the way down, and they cut it with a saw, and then fill in the other side and just cut those up to the ones. I don't care for that. It's a seam in the center of a boat. It's not wrong, but I just prefer one side the other, one side the other. And you create a nice weave pattern, and just take your time to hold the piece there. You trace it, cut it, and then fit it in there. And then you should get to this point where your whole boat is sheathed. It's coming around. See? Try to show you guys the boat. Okay. A couple other things I want to throw in there. If you get any seams or anything, if they don't, fit together tight in some spots, or a clamp shifted, whatever, don't worry about it, because in the next video I'm going to show you how to fair the hole, sand it, fill holes, fill any seams that might pop up. So don't worry about any mistakes. Your boat's going to float. We got a fiberglass this thing. So good luck sheathing. Take your time. It takes a lot of time. And please subscribe. And thank you for watching. Bye.